The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 model 2025 is a perfect blend of classic ruggedness and modern performance. This legendary off-road vehicle retains its iconic design while incorporating cutting-edge technology to enhance its durability and efficiency. The exterior boasts a bold and aggressive look, with a boxy structure that pays homage to its classic roots. The reinforced chassis, high ground clearance, and large all-terrain tires make it an unstoppable force on any surface. LED headlights, a robust front grille, and skid plates add to its adventurous appeal, ensuring it can handle extreme conditions with ease. Built for rugged terrains, the suspension system of the 2025 FJ43 is engineered for supreme comfort and stability. It features an advanced independent front suspension and a heavy-duty rear suspension setup, designed to absorb shocks and vibrations on rough trails. Whether traversing rocky landscapes, sandy dunes, or muddy paths, the FJ43 maintains superior balance and control. Enhanced shock absorbers and multi-link rear suspension ensure that the vehicle remains stable even in the harshest environments, delivering a smooth ride for both driver and passengers. The road grip of the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 is exceptional, thanks to its advanced four-wheel drive system and traction control features. The vehicle is equipped with an intelligent all-terrain system that automatically adjusts power distribution to the wheels, providing optimal grip on challenging surfaces. Whether on steep inclines, slippery roads, or uneven trails, the FJ43 maintains excellent traction, preventing skidding and ensuring safe maneuverability. Its rugged off-road tires, combined with electronic stability control, make it a reliable companion for adventure seekers. Powering the 2025 FJ43 is a high-performance engine that delivers impressive speed and acceleration. The new generation powertrain includes a turbocharged V6 or a hybrid engine option, producing ample horsepower and torque for any adventure. With an improved fuel injection system and enhanced aerodynamics, the vehicle achieves remarkable fuel efficiency without compromising power. It offers seamless acceleration, allowing it to reach high speeds effortlessly while maintaining control. Whether cruising on highways or tackling off-road challenges, the FJ43 ensures a thrilling driving experience. Step inside the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43, and you'll find a refined interior that perfectly balances luxury with practicality. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, ergonomic seating, and ample legroom, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers. The dashboard is designed with a blend of modern and classic elements, featuring a digital instrument cluster, an intuitive infotainment system, and a touchscreen display with navigation and connectivity options. The steering wheel is wrapped in high-quality leather, providing a firm grip and enhancing driving comfort. The seat color options in the FJ43 include a range of sophisticated shades, from classic beige to deep brown and black, allowing buyers to personalize their interior. The seats are designed for durability and comfort, with adjustable settings and lumbar support for long journeys. Advanced climate control ensures that the cabin remains pleasant in all weather conditions, while ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance to the interior. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 model 2025 is an embodiment of reliability, strength, and modern innovation. Whether for off-road enthusiasts, collectors, or those seeking a durable and stylish SUV, this model continues to uphold the legendary status of the Land Cruiser lineup. With its exceptional performance, advanced features, and timeless design, the FJ43 is ready to conquer new adventures while delivering an unparalleled driving experience. I've provided a detailed script for the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 model 2025, covering its specifications, outlook, suspension, road grip, speed, performance, interior, dashboard, and seat color.